How does subpoena power work in congressional investigations? Imagine a scenario where a congressional committee is trying to uncover the facts about a matter of national importance. They need access to documents or testimony that could be hidden or difficult to obtain. This is where subpoena power becomes a vital tool. But how exactly does this authority operate within the framework of congressional investigations? Subpoena power grants congressional committees the legal ability to compel individuals or organizations to produce documents, records, or testify before the committee. This authority is derived from the constitutional powers granted to Congress to conduct investigations and oversee the executive branch and other entities. The power is not explicitly detailed in the United States Constitution but has been established through legislative statutes and judicial interpretations over time. When a committee decides to issue a subpoena, it must specify what documents or testimony are being requested and why they are relevant to the investigation. The subpoena is then served to the individual or organization involved. If the recipient complies, they must provide the requested information or appear to testify at a designated time and place. Failure to comply can lead to legal consequences, including contempt of Congress charges. Congressional committees have the authority to enforce subpoenas through the courts. If a subpoenaed party refuses to cooperate, the committee can seek a court order to compel compliance. The judiciary generally upholds Congress's investigative powers, provided the subpoena is relevant to the investigation and not overly broad or oppressive. Courts have historically supported Congress's ability to gather information necessary for legislative and oversight functions. However, there are limits to subpoena power. Certain privileges, such as attorney-client privilege or executive privilege, can be invoked to resist compliance. The courts often weigh the importance of the investigation against the privilege claimed. In some cases, Congress may negotiate or modify subpoenas to address concerns about privacy or confidentiality. In summary, subpoena power in congressional investigations functions as a legal mechanism that enables Congress to gather essential information. It relies on the authority granted by law and the court's support to ensure compliance. This power plays a crucial role in maintaining oversight, transparency, and accountability within the government.